If you're looking for a way to avoid family court, then you should negotiate a separation agreement with your former spouse. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. I've discussed in previous videos how to deal with the legal issues in your separation or divorce in family court. However, as I mentioned, you can skip family court by negotiating an effective separation agreement with your former spouse. Your spouse must be willing to take a reasonable position on the various family law issues in your separation or divorce to successfully negotiate a separation agreement. If your spouse is unreasonable on important legal issues in your case, and they will not budge from this position, you might have to go to family court to resolve these issues. Your lawyer will advise you on the best approach to take in your situation. When you negotiate a separation agreement, your lawyer will first carefully advise you on your family law rights based on the facts of your situation and the application of Ontario family law principles to your situation. You must also make sure your spouse has provided you with full financial disclosure before you send a proposed separation agreement to your former spouse. This is really important. You must also provide full financial disclosure to your spouse as well. Full financial disclosure means that you must provide a detailed financial statement with the supporting documents showing the value of your assets and the amounts of your debts to your spouse. Your spouse must provide the same information and documents to you. Be prepared for some back and forth in your negotiating your separation agreement with your former spouse. This means that your spouse will very likely send you some proposed changes to the separation agreement that they want. When you and your spouse take reasonable positions on the various legal issues in your situation, it's very likely you can settle your issues with a signed separation agreement. When you and your spouse have signed a separation agreement, then your family law issues are now resolved or settled. You can now get what is called an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce means that you are simply seeking to get a divorce order in family court since you have already resolved the legal issues in your case in a signed separation agreement with your former spouse. In other words, there's nothing to fight about since you've resolved these issues in a separation agreement. When you hear the term a contested divorce, this means that the spouses are dealing with the divorce-related issues in family court, such as child custody and access, child support, spousal support, and the property issues. They haven't resolved the issues in a separation agreement. However, you can avoid this contested divorce or divorce battle in family court by first negotiating a separation agreement with your spouse. A judge will then review your court documents in an uncontested divorce. They will usually only delay granting your divorce when you have not adequately explained child support payments for your children. If you or your spouse are paying the proper amount of child support pursuant to the Ontario Child Support Guidelines, the judge will grant your divorce order after reviewing the court documents. A family court judge will also grant your divorce order in a contested divorce as part of the process of making orders on the disputed legal issues in your case, such as spousal support and the property issues. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegaldvice.com or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips at my free Facebook group. Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a great week. Take care, everyone, and I will talk to you soon.